Hi there. If you're a presenter, YouTuber, teacher, or someone who regularly has to showcase your computer screen to an audience, this video is just for you. As a content creator myself, I constantly have to create screen recordings for my videos like I'm actually going to do today. I consider myself a tidy person when it comes to my digital ecosystem, and I always keep my desktop clean and organized. Nevertheless, whether it's to hide private information or just for aesthetic purposes, I prefer to have my desktop free of files and icons when I'm showing or recording my screen. In order to hide any potential mess or private data, which is more often the case, I use the app called OneSwitch, available via Setapp. Specifically designed for the Mac, OneSwitch lives in the taskbar and it can be considered the ultimate switchboard. Let's say that I want to hide all my files from the desktop for this specific video. To do that, I can click on the top right corner over to the taskbar and tap on the OneSwitch icon. Then I'll select the first option from the menu, which is Hide Desktop Icons. In an instant, even if I have a messy, cluttered desktop, everything disappears. With the help of this app, I don't have to worry about cleaning up before making a video because a tidy desktop is one switch away. However, hiding the desktop icons is not the only ace up the app's sleeve. Another quick option that I find very useful is the toggle switch for dark mode. Instead of going through system preferences and general, I can just easily switch the OS between light and dark mode. Sometimes when I do recordings and I have my monitor somewhere in the background, I want to have it on all the time without running the risk of the screensaver coming up or the computer potentially falling asleep in the middle of the shoot. In the meantime, I still want to retain my auto sleep function for my regular use, so to have it both ways, I use OneSwitch's keep awake functionality. When turned on, the Mac stays awake until directed otherwise, and there's no chance for the screensaver to show up at a bad time. Of course, if it's the other way around and I want to have the screensaver enabled, I can simply toggle it at any time. Last but not least, you can customize OneSwitch by adding or removing switches from the menu, or even create keyboard shortcuts for super easy toggling. This tool comes together with more than 230 apps in one affordable Setapp subscription. Setapp is an all-in-one suite which aims to solve any tasks that might come up on your Mac. Just use Setapp's search bar and it will suggest the best tool for your job. You can even connect apps into workflows to further boost your productivity. You can install Setapp by clicking the link in this video. If you have any questions about OneSwitch, just leave them in the comment section below, and until next time.